Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It's a glorious day here in Ohio. Don't know what kind of weather it is because it changes every 5 seconds. God knows. Today, we have a special type video because a new Focallure eyeshadow palette came in. It is the Tropical Vacation eyeshadow palette. Woo! Are you guys excited? Because I am freaking excited. Yesterday, look how pretty the packaging is. It's got teal little leaves around. It's called Everchanging eyeshadow palette from Focallure. Yesterday, I filmed this video and then I went downstairs to do the edits and nothing came in, so I have to do it again. Anyway, it is a small palette. It only has 14 shades in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. I guess 4 is a shimmer and the rest are matte. But all I'm going to do is swatch the shimmers for you because, I mean, really, do you really want me to swatch mattes? But yesterday, I mean, I'm still going to do the same. I mean, because I'll get excited about these swatches. But you guys have got to see this. You have got to see this. This is the yellow. Look at this. Look at that. Huh? That's me barely putting my finger in. That's what she said. Anyway, that is called Laser. Then we have Glow. Oh my god, these colors, the pigmentation of the Focallure eyeshadow palette just blows my mind. I think this was $4.99. I'll put the information down below, but you guys are seriously $4.99 or something like that. It is amazing. And then this is called Sunset. Now the Sunset seems to not be as pigmented for whatever reason, but it's still pretty. Look at that. It just makes me twing in places. I mean, I don't know why I get so super freaking excited about eyeshadow, but I do, okay? And then this is my absolute favorite. It's called Season. Oh my god, I am so excited about doing this. Look at this. It's like a metallic green, brown, black. Is that not gorgeous? So, what I thought I would do, since I don't have my eyeshadow on, I thought that I would, let me wipe this off because I thought that I would do a simple look with you today with this color palette. What do you guys think? I mean, if you don't want to, you can always just zing out of the video, but I mean, I'd like for you to stay and take a gander at the overall look. You know? Because this just makes your vagina just zing around. Let's take a drink. Get you a drink. Sit down. Let me go ahead. Get a drink. And let's put some makeup on. Alright. Let's get a small, no, we will get a bigger blending brush. And I'm going to go into Warm as my transition color. It's the matte, just in the crease, because I want to put on that green brown overall on my lid because, oh my god, I'm freaking in love with it. It's just amazing to me. I think I like makeup a little too much. Okay, I'm an addict. Hi, I'm Monica. I'm addicted to makeup. Just kidding. I can't help it. My hair's in the... I cannot believe that these palettes are only like $4 or $5 and more people are not buying Focallure. Number one, I just like saying Focallure. You get mad at somebody, it's just like, oh, Focallure yourself. Oh, it may be pronounced wrong, but I call it that. I like the way it's called. You know what I'm saying? I got 2 of my puppies in here sleeping, if you hear them snoring. Okay, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm going to go in with, what is that called? Leaves, I think. Fall. I will go in with fall. Into more of the crease area. And then blend up. Oh, this one little piece of hair is going to drive me crazy. You know, I'm not above chopping that crap. It is amazing how much blending a person does on their eyes. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my God. You blend and blend and blend till your arm falls off. Go back with the other color. Blend over it so that there is no harsh lines putting them together. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a crease brush and I'm going to go in with the green because I'm going to use the shimmer on my lid, but it's called Leaves. I don't know if you could see. It's like an olive green. And I'm going to put that in kind of over where I just put the red. And come down a little bit on the back of the lid. Just to tone down that red a little bit and to get ready for the shimmer. I gotta go get my nails fixed. I broke my nail. Plural, nails. So I'm gonna go get it fixed and I gotta go to an eye appointment. And I was gonna go, I'm gonna just take pictures of frames and pick out the ones I want. Okay, now I'm gonna take the green and I'm gonna put it on this finger that don't have a nail. And I'm going to apply it to the lid all over, because I want it to be the center of attention. Because I think it's gorge. Oh my god, this is, I love this! I think Focallure should sponsor me. Just saying. Most YouTube people be like, oh, I want Tarte, I want like Anastasia, blah blah blah. Me, I want Focallure. I love their little palettes. I think that looks nice. You definitely have to put it on with your finger though. I learned that a long time ago. I tried putting it on with a brush. I tried putting it on with a sponge. But a finger's the only thing that works. And we all like the finger best anyway sometimes, don't we, ladies? Yesterday was Mr. F's birthday. So he came in and he goes, well, what are we having for dinner? I was like, oh, what's your birthday dinner? We're having man-witch. Oh, bless his little heart. Alright. So what I'm going to do is on a very small brush, I'm going to take the transition color and go down below on the bottom lash line, as close to the lash line as possible. Okay, same brush, I just kind of wiped it off a little bit. I'm going to stick it in the green shimmer metallic stuff that I put on the lid. It's called Season. And I'm going to put it in the same area on the bottom lash line. As close to the lashes as possible. And just kind of bring it down because I want it to be kind of a smoky look. Because I'm still stuck in the 90s, I guess. Yeah, I like it. I feel like I need to add more to the lid. I'll be here all day adding to the lid. I'm in love with it. Okay. What do you guys think? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brown. This is MAC. It's called Brown Border. And I'm just going to go along the upper lash line. I'm not going to do a wing. Just real faintly do the upper lash line. So I don't want to take away from the star of the show. And then I'm going to do the waterline. Yeah. Let's see. I'm going to quickly really curl my lashes. Because I'm not going to wear false lashes today. Because I'm going to the eye doctor. And he'll probably want to dilute my eyeballs. That'll be great. I'm using Clinique Chubby Lash. I went ahead and put my brows on and whatnot. So, anyway, here is the final look. Love, 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 Focallure. Anyway, I'll put all the information in the description box. Focallure, order you some more. Had to do it. Anyway, less than $5. This is the look I ended up with. I hope y'all love it as much as I do because I love this look. This is the Everchanging palette. I guess that's it. Thank you all for joining me today. Thank you all for joining me on every video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe for your family. They'll never know. It's free. Tell everybody. Share this video. Tell everybody that you see. Say, hey, you know what? I got this friend. She is in desperate need of some help. Hit the subscribe button. Share the video. Get it out there. I guess that's it. Until next time, I got some humdingers coming. You guys just don't know. Oh my Lord. Until next time, peace out.